guys, it's Janet. Welcome back to my channel. I'm making an intro for the vlog that I started filming about 10 days ago. I apologize that I haven't made the videos that you requested yet and kind of like fell off the face of the earth for about 10 days, but I have a good reason. I did start filming last Sunday and I'll insert all those clips later, but basically went out to a roller skating party, had loads of fun, and that's when I was filming. I was filming another video, which I'm actually gonna probably publish before this one, just because it's already edited. But my uncle passed away, and it was kind of, you know, when someone passes away, it's pretty sudden, and you have to just kind of rush to get to your home. You know, I had to rush to get to my hometown and go to his funeral. So basically, he passed away Monday. And I guess Tuesday my mom was like, okay, the funeral's Thursday. So it's about a 5.5 or 6 hour drive to my hometown. So we left Wednesday and ended up staying there until Monday, I think, of this week. So today's Wednesday. Oh my God. But that's what's been going on. So I am so sorry if you requested a video. I definitely had the intentions of filming it, but unfortunately, you know, life happens and I wasn't able to. But I am going to continue to film and try to get to the video you requested, if you did request one, and if not, I definitely apologize. But let's start with the video from last Sunday. So I'll insert it now and take you back to, I was going to a roller skating party, disco theme, which was loads of fun. And I'll insert that, and then I'll meet up with you guys after that part of the video. Happy Sunday, you guys. It's Janet, and I was about to film a video. It was, yeah. Oh, okay, let me focus. So I'm about to film a video for a DIY hot chocolate, like little gift ideas. And then I thought, I'm doing Vlogmas, so I thought, why don't I film my process? So here we are. It is, like I said, Sunday. I am alone in the house, except for the pups. There's Nanook. And let me show you Sebastian. He's right there. So Sean's getting a haircut. Callie went to run around, and I was going to film this quick video. So let me show you my setup if you're curious what happens. Like I said, it's Sunday afternoon, and I usually spend my weekends filming and editing. Not always, because I get like other things come up. Anyway, I'm babbling like normal. Let me show you what my setup and what I'm about to film. There's two spots that I film from. My office, which is rare actually, and then this spot because the lighting is pretty good on this window. I just set my camera on this tripod, and this is like my nicer camera. And I'm on my like less nice camera right now, which is still a nice camera though, if you ask me. It is a Sony A5100, I think. And I sit right there on the floor. How cute is he? Okay, focus. My house is a mess, sorry about that, but this is all the stuff that I'm about to talk about in the video. I kind of just have it laid out and I'm ready. I was drinking some chai tea in my favorite Santa mug. And actually, I had just finished editing my girls' night out secret Santa party video right here on my computer. I uploaded that. If you're interested, I'll link it below. But yeah, this is kind of what's going on. Let me show you what I normally wear. So I normally wear a cute top. I got this one at Target. It was only like $6 or $8, I don't remember, but I think it's super cute. It just says Mary. And then I have a ton of Santa hats, and I'm wearing Santa, some really cute little pajama pants. I normally wear pajama pants on the bottom, just like a nice top. And so that's pretty much it. I'm about to film, and then the rest of the day, let me think what's going on. Oh, I have a birthday party to go to tonight. It is like a disco themed birthday party, and normally I'm so good about getting like into the theme of the party, but I don't know. I had purchased a shirt before for another kind of similar party. I'm going to show you what I think I'm going to wear tonight. we're going into my room now. And let me see. So let's go in my closet, which is like really super messy. But it's this top. I got it at Zara. And I'm thinking hopefully it's like disco-y enough. I mean, I don't know. What do you guys think? I wanted a silver one, but I couldn't find one that I liked. So I got this one, and it wasn't very expensive. I actually bought this for someone else's birthday party. Where's the tag? I bought this for someone else's birthday party. It was like a silent disco party, and then she ended up having to cancel it, so I never wore it. So I think I'm gonna wear it tonight. Oh my god, I just saw this Lush bag, and I have to share with you guys. I got Callie, my daughter, some stuff for her stocking yesterday. And yes, even though she's 22, I still get her stocking stuffers. Let me show you guys. And this video is totally everywhere. I apologize. I'm like all over the place. This is literally how my brain works, but you guys are gonna die. Oh my god. Isn't it so freaking cute? I got her these. Okay, it's hard to film and like with one hand. And this like little Santa guy. Where is it? It's so cute. I mean, the candy cane's definitely cuter. And then I got these. They said they were like limited edition and they might not have them next year. And when you guys see them, if you follow me, you know why I had to have them. Ah, they're Halloween, and I love Halloween so much that I just bought them for next year. I got 2 of them because I love Halloween so much. I'm thinking ahead, guys, thinking ahead. Anyway, okay. Let me put this down really fast. Okay, I know I'm totally all over the place with the vlog. If you knew me in person, this is totally how I work. I'm just like a Nemo brain. But one more thing I was going to show you guys. The present for the girl that I'm going to tonight. I'm going to share that with you guys because I thought it was really cute and it's not super expensive. So let me show you. I purchased this card, which I think is super cute, at like Ross or TJ Maxx, or I don't even know, like one of those stores, and it was literally $2 because I think birthday cards can get like super expensive. I haven't filled it out yet, but I need to do that. And then this bag was from the Target Dollar Spot. Just look in the Target Dollar Spot. They always have like inexpensive bags, and I think there was like 2 of them for like $1 or $2. I don't remember, but she loves makeup. I know. I think buying gifts is buying someone what they love. I don't know. Not what you love, what they love. Because not everybody loves what you love, unfortunately. Okay. So I went to the Morphe store here in Austin, which I can't even believe they had one. I was so excited. I did buy myself something too, but I got her this Morphe palette and it was on super sale, which I was so excited. I had a different palette in my hand to buy her for like $15. And then the lady came up to me. She's like, oh, I see that palette that you have in your hand. And this palette was regularly $20, but yesterday it was like $12. So that's what I'm giving her. I think it's a super cute little thoughtful gift. I mean, I like to get birthday gifts. And I like to give birthday gifts. So that's what she's getting. Okay, I'm already at 7 minutes for this like vlog, which I could talk forever. I could show you guys so much more stuff. I love sharing with you guys. I don't know. I just like to share stuff with you guys. I think it's fun. I love watching like really cool, cute things. I'll save it for another video. I do need to start filming this video because I'm going to dinner with my husband before the birthday party. So I'll catch up with you when we're on our way to the skating party and show you my outfit if I decide to wear that. Anyway, okay. I'm ready for the disco party. So this is the best I could do. This is my 70s inspired hair. Just did a high pony. And then I put glitter on my eyelids. I don't know if it's filming. The sparkly top I showed you guys. And then I just put jeans on. So we're off to my friend's birthday. Oh, I have these too. Super cute. Okay, I'm ready, honey. Okay, all right, now that that video has been inserted, I will share a little bit of, I guess, a picture of the disco, because I don't remember if I filmed anymore. I'm gonna edit this video hopefully later today. But yeah, so today is my first day off from work because I got back, had to work, and now I'm off for a couple of days. And I have a tornado house, so I'll share that with you guys. And I have a lot going on as well because I'm planning some stuff that I'll share with you guys. Okay, excuse the tornadoes, but what I have going on today is I ordered a bunch of New Year's Eve dresses. So I just meant to film a video, of course, on this, but I went, as I explained in the beginning of the video, I had to go away, but here are some of the little numbers I bought. So this one I think was my favorite because it was the only one that actually fit me, and this was from Nordstrom, and I think I have a picture of me trying it on because I sent it to my husband and he thought it was cute. The only thing is, like, these things are falling out. I don't think you could see it, but it's so bizarre. And it's from like Nordstrom, so I feel like the quality should be a little better than like cheaper stores. But oh, see, that's what's happening. They're falling out. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. But right now, this is like the #1 contender for my New Year's Eve dress. And then I got this one also from Nordstrom, and it was ginormous on me. Like, I bought size large thinking like okay, look at this. Please stop it. Stop it. And it's way too big. I'll insert a picture of this one too. I was literally swimming in it. So I probably needed medium in this, but I do like the color because I love pink. And then, oh my gosh, I just ordered too much crap, you guys. This dress, I didn't take a picture of it. I'll have to probably retry it on, but it's from, where is it? Oh, Pretty Little Things, which I've never ordered from. So I ordered 2 sizes of everything because I wasn't sure how it would fit. And basically, this one did fit. I might insert the model picture. I don't know if I'll have time to try it on, of what it should look like. And this one did kind of look like that, but I didn't really like it on my body. Sean said it just looked like a square. And then I love this one. Again, I'll insert a picture of the model probably because they were both so big. So I read the measurements online and I got US size 10 and I got US size 12 because I was thinking like that's what should fit me. So this is like European sizes, but in US it would be 2 sizes smaller. So this would be the 12 and then this one would be the 10. And literally, they were way too big. So, oh, here's the sizing. I guess it might make more sense like this. But, oh, wait. That's US 14. No, that's US 16. What? I can't see. I don't have my reading glasses on. What's this one say? US 12. Anyway, they were too big. So, fail on my part. Okay. What else do I have going on? Okay, over here, I have meant to put out snacks for my UPS drivers, FedEx drivers, etc. I do it every single year, and I literally haven't had a chance because of the funeral. Just unfortunately, I haven't had time. So today, like I said, is my first day off, and I was like, oh my God, I might not be recording. Today's my first day off from work, and I'm going to do all that kind of stuff and share it with you guys. So also, here's the sign. Let me show you. So here's the sign. It's ready. I'm going to put it outside. I'll share a picture of what it should look like. I took a picture of it last year on Instagram, but it's really cute, and they're super grateful. I love doing this for the drivers. And then here I was working on uploading my video, which I was hoping to put this vlog up first, but I'm about to publish it, so I have to do that. Sean's watching TV in the bedroom and it's super loud. Hi, hi, honey.
What are you doing?
I'm making a vlog. Say hi to everybody.
Hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody. Yeah, remember I started vlogging last, I don't know, but then we had to go out of town. So anyway, I'm explaining what happened and sharing the big old mess in the house. Okay, the other thing that happened, I'm like, I don't know, you guys might not like this vlog. I'm all over the place. But last night it froze like to 30 degrees or something. And I have to bring my plants in because I love my plants so much. I'm like, don't want them to die. I literally cover them with blankets outside and like even heating blankets if I can't bring them in. But look at my house right now. I mean, I brought in this big tree from outside, that tree, that banana plant, all these, say hi Sebastian, all these plants are inside that are normally outside because of the freeze. Okay. So what else do I have going on today? Well, I gotta clean the house. I gotta put out the UPS stuff. I probably have to return the dresses that didn't fit me because I haven't done that. And I still don't have anything to wear for my New Year's Eve party. So I'm having a New Year's Eve party, which I'm super excited about. It's Gatsby theme. So today I went to Party City and just kind of like started looking and I found a couple of things. I'll probably do like a haul because last year I did a New Year's Eve tablescape that was really cute. Excuse me. And I'm gonna go all out, of course, in my decorating because I'm the hostess with the mostest. But I bought these cute little things I'm gonna show you. I didn't go crazy yet, but I got this little sign. Oh, I love signs. I don't know, I'm a sucker for signs. And then I bought these plates just because we're gonna have some appetizers. And then this little hat, how cute is it? And then this one. Okay, so yeah. Oh, and I bought these for the food. I've never used these, but I'm probably gonna spray paint them gold. I have several DIY projects that I want to make for this party. So I want to make like a champagne tower and just like roaring 20s decor, which I like Pinterest. If you have Pinterest, you should follow me. I like go crazy on there when I'm gonna have a party. I like just go crazy. And yeah, I guess you're all caught up now with what's going on. So I'm going to publish that video right now and then clean my house. It's pretty boring. And we'll see what we do later. Actually, today we're not doing anything exciting. I might do a little more shopping for the New Year's Eve party, but I'm gonna try to get most of my stuff on Amazon just because Amazon's amazing. The lighting is terrible, sorry. And then tomorrow night, I'll definitely make a vlog. We are going to downtown Austin where I live. They're gonna make it snow and I really want to go. Hopefully it's not raining tomorrow. So if it's not, we're gonna do that. I'll have a more fun video to share with you guys of a vlog. And actually, how many minutes am I here? I'm already 8 minutes. So I think I remember looking at the last footage I had and it was like 7 minutes. So I might end the vlog here just so I can explain what's been going on to you guys because I feel bad. And then tomorrow we'll start fresh. Okay, thanks so much for watching and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye. My lips are so dry, you guys. Ugh. Okay, bye.